Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for S&P 500. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting on this 2-hour time frame, we've had this high here of January 2022 and that is going to be the starting point of our counts today. From here, I've labeled this as a WXY as it has better look with the 3-wave, 3-wave and then 3-wave here than having a 5-wave, 3-wave and 5-wave as an ABC down here to the wave W of this intermediate count. Now on original Elliott Wave books, this is not allowed as we would need to have an ABC here as simple correction for the first leg of W. But you can decide for yourself which one fits your needs the best, I guess. Now X wave up here on 29th of March around the 46.30 area. After that point we've had a few different ideas thrown around and changed as price has come in, or price action has come in. So this is still one of the possibilities, having this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and now currently making it possible for wave 5. It is possible that wave 5 is already done here, and we can have a look at that as well. Now the other option is this one where we had an ABC, ABC and now again another ABC we would be expecting. Whether wave A is done, or not, we'll see. Overall we can see that we had this trend line on RSI right here and we see that we had broken it here. So again it broke before these lows were in place, so it is not 100% certain that we are again completed it. Of course these lows around the 16th of June or 17th of June did create this divergence in price on both of them, so it is possible that we have completed this correction of a wave here. Now other scenarios here as well, ABC of this count, saying that we have already created A, corrected for the B, and now we'll be looking for C wave. Whether the C is done or not, we'll see. But again, as you see, the same thing with other 3-wave counts, there are a lot of possibilities. In time and in price, these can be tricky, and yeah, if you are going to be trading these, be careful and yeah, manage your risks. That is the main key, as always. Now let's zoom into this bit here. So overall, either we had the wave C here or C here. This one is saying we could have this as 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the third, fourth and fifth. This would complete the wave 3 of minute, then we would be looking for wave 4 and then 5. Again, one possibility. The second possibility is that we have already created the wave 1, as in here it is possible to create a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 or just a wave 1. So yeah, both these are possible. This of course is more bullish as we don't have one extra wave count or wave degree in here. So in this one again, we would be looking for wave 3 already here, 4 and 5. Now, if you want to be bullish overall, we would have to say, or want to have some kind of 5-way structure from these lows, we would have to place the wave 5 up here or down here and not in these areas. We could also just move these here if we can, or if we want to have this as an ABC up higher. So multiple possibilities still. This is an alternate where we are starting the wave count from these highs. Again, this does not really offer too much differentiation for the other counts. This is again saying that we have a 3, 4 and 5 here. So I'm not sure if we really need this at all. It is covered on this first count that I present, so at least the last bit. So I feel like I'll just delete that for now. Now again, let's take a look closer on this previous price action that we've had since these lows. On the other indices, some of them did not make a new low here. Instead, they made a higher low here in price and yeah, at those assets we could have had the new 5-way move starting from here, but not on S&P 500. If you want to have 5-way move, we started from here. So local bearish scenario first. On this one, we could have this as an ABC into W, 3-way structure into X, coming down to the golden pocket, and then 5 waves into A, B, and now we would be looking for that C wave to complete. Overall, we are looking for these targets around, starting for the 1-to-1 extension of this A wave from the B wave, again from 38.55 to around 3900. On the higher time frame counts of this sub-minute count of WXY, the targets are again 1-to-1. That is now hit here, so that's good. And then the other scenario or other target would be here at 38.90. Of course, this 1.236 of course is one other target, but those are the extremes that I want to see. But them are gone beyond the minimum extension, so it is possible that we are starting to get rid of this momentum that we have had, and we'll see. Now I've moved this way B, as I was talking about yesterday, that we did not reach this 618 here. We are getting close in here, but we did not reach it. So we had that possibility before, saying that we had a possible ABC here, and then we would have this as a start of something new. I didn't really like that, and now it is actually possible to say that we have this as a first leg, this as second, and this third, creating some kind of a running flat or something. Yeah, so that's why I have the way B around the 37.47 area. Now again, as the wave A was a 5-way move, we would be looking for 5 waves in the C wave. Now, kind of hard to say that how we are going to be labeling this, but I'm not going to go into substructures here. I'm just going to be saying that this is a 1, this is a 2, and then we're going to go higher. Again, we have not reached even the 1-to-1 extension on this one, so is most likely going to be some kind of extension here. I would be expecting, again, this is the lowest low, around 37.80. If indeed this is just the wave 1-2, then we could be looking this as another 1-2. Here I can't really say too many counts, or I can't see too many counts. Maybe this is a 5-way move here, but it is more likely that this indeed is another 1 and not 3 that would be part of this structure. But again, we have not invalidated that idea yet. Around the 38.05, where we are coming back to this high of the possible wave 1, we would invalidate that idea of being a wave 4 here. So currently still 2 possibles open here for the last leg, or just a 1-2. If it is indeed another 1-2, we would have this as a 1, then a 3-way pullback. Hopefully it is going to take out these lows, otherwise we're going to be having again those 2 scenarios of being a 1-2, 1-2, or a 1-2, 3, 4 with a kind of deep wave 4. But again, it is more likely, just based off of this extension here, that it is indeed a wave 1-2, 1-2. But yeah, that is pretty much everything on the bearish scenario. Then let's take a look at the bullish one. Again, on S&P 500, we did have that low here on the 17th. Then we would have this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and 5, oh sorry, the wave 4 is really small. We have this flat here on wave 2, so there's an alteration there. Then we had this dump here for the wave 2, coming to that same golden pocket, and then 5 waves up, and then looking for wave 2. Again, I did not move this here, I think. Yeah, there we go. Let's move that B here and C here. So we have that flat pattern basically here. And then we would be looking for higher prices. Now again, a 1 2 1 2, really bullish scenario. Again here, what this is part of, we don't know yet. Again, as mentioned, this could be another 1 2 1 2 setup, or this could be the start of 1 2 3 4 5 and so on for this micro scale. 1.618 is the one which we would be expecting here, around the 39.17 for the wave 3 of micro. So that is our aiming point on this bullish count. If we want to be more bullish on this one, we still need to be careful, and definitely not going to be longing here. If this is going to pull back downwards, then we could be looking to have some kind of a support around these highs here that we've had. Also, volume is starting to kick in right around those areas. We see this larger volume node is coming in at those levels as well. So around the 38.05 area. So yeah, that is my analysis on S&P 500 for today. Let me know if you have some other accounts you would like to share. There's a link to my Discord server also if you would like to post them there. If you would like me to update a certain other asset, let me know in the comments as well. But again, for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.